So I'm going to do a review of this snap-in drain cover. It is 3 1/4 inches in diameter. And I got it to replace the drain in my shower. The drain is just looking kind of nasty, and I could probably clean it up if I wanted to, scrape all that crud and rust off of it, but I'm just going to replace it instead. It's a lot easier. It says it is stainless steel, and it looks just like the one that I'm replacing, so it should be a perfect match. And it's going to snap right in. So let's take it out and try her out. Just wanted to show that it is, in fact, 3 1/4 inches in diameter. And if you look at the underside, you can see how it snaps in. Has these little tabs. Might need a screwdriver or something to get the old one out. Oh, that thing's pretty nasty. That's going in the trash. Before putting the new one in, I'm going to clean that up just a little bit. All right, and now we'll put the new one in. Easy peasy. So, super simple to install. Looks so much better than the last one. Should last us a long time. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.